Hey, good day, guys. We're about to pull the plane out and go flying again. Today we're going to York. It's about a 35-minute flight from here. We're going to be doing a barbecue there, or they're having a barbecue, so we're going to go join them for some pulled pork and yeah, see how it goes. Got the plane all shined up here, just gave it a good wash. So yeah, come along with us. Enjoy the flight. Today I'm bringing my little brother along. I don't know if you can see him back there. Yep, you can. Yeah, he's going to be coming with to help video the flight and so on, and just enjoy the ride. Okay, so flight itinerary is done. Let's get on the runway. Tilsonburg Unicom, Golf, Victor Yankee, requesting radio check.
Victor Yankee, Unicom, radio 5.
Thank you, Golf, Victor Yankee. Tilsonburg traffic, Golf, Victor Yankee is going to be backtracking runway 26 for runway 34 for immediate departure. Tilsonburg traffic. Wind is pretty strong.
Yep.
I'm using pretty much full rudder. I am using full rudder.
That's
and a
crazy.
little bit of brake.
That's crazy.
Yeah, definitely don't want to land on this runway today. Tilsonburg traffic, Golf, Victor Yankee is exiting runway 26 to line up on runway 32 for immediate takeoff. Going to be remaining in the circuit. Tilsonburg traffic. Going to do one circuit here just to see how it feels, and then if I'm comfortable, we take off to York. If not, then we park the plane.
Okay.
All right, everything is looking good. Pick forward. And we're in the air. Gusty for sure. Tilsonburg traffic, Golf, Victor Yankees on left downwind runway 32 for a touch and go. Tilsonburg traffic. Definitely pretty windy today. Tilsonburg traffic, Golf, Victor Yankees turning final runway 32 for stop and go. Tilsonburg traffic.
Stop and go?
Yeah.
Touch and go? Okay.
Yeah, I decided I'm going to do a stop and go since it's such a high wind. We'll get off the ground, no problem.
Okay, yep.
And land really short.
Yep.
I'm going 100 miles per hour and it doesn't feel like it at all.
Yeah.
So it's pretty much a dead headwind right now over 3-2, a little bit from the north, so probably like a 3-4, which is what the weather was saying.
Okay, yeah.
Usually I come in at about 65, but because of the gusting, I'm going to come in at about 80. Not my best landing, but I had lots of speed there, but just because of the gusts, why take any chances? Let's take off. Tilsonburg traffic, Golf, Victor Yankees airborne off of 32, going to be turning to the east at 1,800 feet, tracking east. Tilsonburg traffic. Tilsonburg traffic, Golf, Victor Yankees at 2,000 feet, 5 miles to the east of the field, tracking east towards York. Going to be switching frequencies. Tilsonburg traffic. Look at the wind on the...
I know. Looks like water almost.
Yeah.
There's just so much more to see up here.
Yeah. Whoa!
That was a drop.
Yeah. Pretty bumpy.
Yep. Out here you could almost land anywhere.
Well,
There's
a lot of
so
the
many
dirt would be too soft to land on.
Yeah. Definitely no troubles for emergency landings.
Yeah, if you had an emergency landing, there would be quite a few.
Yeah.
Very nice. If you look ahead, there's a lot of trees coming up, then it gets a little more scarce.
Yeah.
But we're always listening to the engines.
Okay, we're 11 nautical miles out, about 6 minutes. So elevation is 700 feet. I want 2,200 over the runway, and then I do a teardrop. On road traffic in the Caledonia area, Satabra Golf, Victor Victor Yankee is about 2 miles to the south of Caledonia, tracking east towards York Airport, going to be switching frequencies. On road traffic. York traffic, Golf, Victor Victor Yankee is about 5 miles to the west of York. Going to be flying overhead the field at 2,200 feet, doing a teardrop formation to join a mid-left downwind runway 34 for a full stop. York traffic.
York traffic, Kilo Sierra Delta just departed 34 and we'll be heading westbound to Brantford.
Oh, I see the airport. Wondering if there's much of a turnout with the winds and so on.
Yeah.
York traffic, Golf, Victor Victor Yankee is overhead the field at 2,200 feet, going to be flying to the east side of the field, descend to circuit altitude and join the mid-left downwind runway 34 for a full stop. York traffic.
Some good cheese.
A little bit, yeah. York traffic, Golf, Victor Victor Yankees turning mid-left downwind runway 34 for a full stop. York traffic. York traffic, Golf, Victor Victor Yankees turning final runway 34. With traffic in sight on the runway.
Grand River traffic, Golf Alpha Indy Quebec is rolling runway 34. York traffic, Golf Alpha Indy Quebec is up runway 34.
York traffic, Delta X-ray Echo holding short 34, waiting for the traffic to exit the runway so we can pick up.
That's good.
York traffic, Golf, Victor Victor Yankees clear of the active.
Good, how are you doing? Thank you. Oh, it's more like a car beach. Nice cars. That
Cybertruck, I know, I love that
Cybertruck is
wrap.
pretty cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
What do we got here? Good day.
Good day.
How are you? Good, how are you?
Good.
What do we got here?
BJT.
BJT.
Yeah.
Looks different than the last beach.
Yeah. Some of them were tail draggers.
Most of them were tail draggers.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's what threw me off, yeah.
Great. We're on camera here, I see.
Yeah.
Doing what do you call it, a YouTube channel?
YouTube channel,
nice.
yeah.
This is my friend William.
William, nice to meet you, Nate.
You as well.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh yeah, it's good food. Good food.
Everything's good. Clear prop.
All right, check. York traffic, Golf, Victor Yankees holding short on runway 34 for traffic on final.
Grand River traffic, Golf Alpha India Quebec is 2,500 feet over the Cayuga Raceway.
And Grand River traffic, Alpha November, I'm just going to taxi the threshold to 16 to get out of your way.
Thank you. York traffic, Golf, Victor Yankees going to be backtracking runway 34 for immediate departure, climbing to 2,500 feet, tracking northwest towards Brantford. York traffic. Grand River traffic, Golf, Victor Yankees lined up runway 34 for immediate departure, climbing to 2,500 feet northwest towards Brantford. York traffic. All right, we are good to go.
Yeah, that never gets tiring.
You might have noticed that several times I called the airport York, and other times I called it Grand River. The Canadian Flight Supplement designated the airport as York at the time, but since then it has been changed to Grand River Executive. Also, it wasn't a really great turnout because there was 30+ knot winds. Many pilots opted not to fly, which is understandable, but because I had a runway straight into the wind at my departure and destination, it was no issue for us. After we left Grand River Executive, we did a touch and go in Brantford and then headed back to Tillsonburg.
Brantford traffic, Golf, Victor Yankees, airborne off of runway 35, going to be climbing to circuit altitude and turning to the southwest towards Tillsonburg. Brantford traffic. Tillsonburg traffic, Golf, Victor Yankees, about 6 miles to the east of the field, 3,000 feet, going to be descending to circuit altitude, join a mid-left down on runway 32 for a full stop. Tillsonburg traffic. Tillsonburg traffic, Golf, Victor Yankees, turning final runway 32 for a full stop. Tillsonburg traffic. Boo! Oh, just floated. I should have added power. That was awful. Tillsonburg traffic, Golf, Victor Yankees going to be exiting runway 32 to taxi runway 26 to the apron. Tillsonburg traffic.
Guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe and share it with your friends. All right, have a good one. God bless you guys.